You good? So we're looking at your major chords, and the chord we're going to look at today is the chord of A. This chord here. Oh, lovely. So it's a major chord, which means it sounds happy. And how do we play it? So you're going to take the index finger, the first finger of your left hand, go under the guitar there, under the fretboard, and you pop your index finger on the second fret of the D string. Okay, like that. And make sure you want to press down, not lay down. Okay, press down. Let's just play that. Good. Now it's stuck like glue. Let's pop your middle finger of your left hand on the second fret of the G string, straight underneath, and you're going to play that. And then play both of them so you can hear it. D, G, and then pop your ring finger on the second fret of the B string, so directly underneath that. So index on the second fret of the D, middle on the second fret of the G, and ring on the second fret of the B, like that, all in a line. And then with your thumb, just press down really hard, and then let go because it hurts. So again, index finger, second fret of the D, middle finger directly underneath second fret of the G, ring finger directly underneath second fret of the B, press down really hard, and that is how you play an A major chord.